Hi guys, got another one of these little receivers, WLTOYS something or other, can't remember the number. Got the servos inbuilt or on board. I've soldered the battery connection on. I've also soldered two motors on to the tags that are marked M1 plus, M1 minus and M2 plus, M2 minus, on the assumption that those are motor ports. And I'll get my transmitter and we'll see if we can bind it. I can't remember the sequence, but we'll give it a go. Alright, got my transmitter ready. That's on. I wonder if that's worked. Yes. So, transmitter on first. I pressed the bind button, switched the transmitter on, power onto the servo, the receiver. I had the throttle in full power, moved the throttle and that seemed to bind it. So we've now got control, but we've got nothing coming out of the motors. So I think that there must be a link or something I've got to add in on the circuit board to enable the motors. It could be as simple as you can have the motor or a servo. Might have to move a wire or something. Let's get the microscope and have a close-up look. Right, got the USB microscope set up. So we'll do a quick run round the board if I can get it into focus. Okay, down the bottom here, WL4CH01R. Does 4CH mean 4 channel? Revision 12, QBJ, V minus, got my black lead, V plus, got my red lead, 2014 0802, so it's not a new board, it's a couple of years old. Going up here, we got M minus and M plus going to the red and blue leads of the servo motor. And over here we got another M minus and M plus going to the red and blue leads on that servo motor. Over here we got M2 plus, which I've got going away to my motor, and M2 minus, so that's the black and white leads going away to my motors. Over the other side, where my finger's in the way, we got M1 plus and M1 minus going away to my other motor. Looks like it's got a diode straight across it, so the current only flows one way. So no reverse. What's that chip? Can we see a number on it? I assume that's the one that supplies the power to the motor. PWM, or whatever you call it. And what I'm looking for is a link, because I think there should be a link in there to enable them. So if we follow along there, and there we are, L minus, or is that L and a dash? In fact, I'm guessing That's where there should be a link. There's a little white dot there. So I think there should be a link in there. And then we've got L plus. It looks like there should be links across there. I can't actually see underneath the circuit or underneath that transistor. That does look, if that link goes in, then that supplies power along that rail there. And if that link goes in, is that link going along to there? Can't quite see. That looks like that goes. Be nice if I could find something on the internet that will tell me what to do. I did have a look last time I tried to do this. Didn't find anything useful. I guess I'll have to have another look. Can't see any other links. Well, that's disappointing. I've carefully soldered in those links, but it's made no difference. I've still got rudder control and elevator control. I've got nothing on the motors. I guess I better go and try and read up